Hi students, this is our second isometric, this is going to be a perspective drawing, a 2-point perspective with 2 vanishing points, 1, 2, along the horizon line, and I'm going to be using this isometric sketch as the basis. I don't need to know any dimensions. Once again, with perspective drawing, I'm going to approximate all dimensions. So go ahead, find a scrap piece of paper, get a straight edge. If you don't have a straight edge, get a piece of cardboard, get the edge of a book, and let's get ready to draw this. Remember, everything will be drawn within our 2 vanishing points. So I'm going to have a VP here, and I already have one here. I will start by sketching an overall box which would create this shape. So it's going to be a vertical line on our paper. The placement of that vertical line is totally dependent on the drafter, so totally dependent on you. Every single drawing that we're doing will look slightly different based on our approximations. So draw that vertical line, start projecting lines back to vanishing points. So there it is, and that's going to be the overall height of the object. I'm going to approximate the overall width of the object to be here. So I need to create a horizontal or a vertical line. I have an intersection. I will create another point back to a VP. Once again, I'm creating that overall cube that this object is going to be drawn within. My overall depth of the object I will calculate at here. Once again, all of these pick points are approximations, and it's pretty much, we could consider a little bit of guesswork. So now I have that overall box, and now I need to draw this shape within this box. There are actually three surfaces that can be seen on the outsides of the box. Surface 1 can be seen, surface 2, and surface 3 can be seen on the outside of this box. Let's start with surface 1. I know it's all the way to the left edge, and I know it doesn't take up too much room on the width. So I am going to put a mark here to represent the distance of this width, and I'll make an annotation of that. I'll go straight upward because that's the overall height. And I'll darken the shape completely in. So this is surface 1. Surface 2, I know it is along the entire left edge of my box, so I can darken this line in. I know it runs along the entire edge of the box here, so I can fill that in. And then I have to make a few approximations. So this is a known point, this is a known point. I need to approximate this distance right here. I'm going to say it's about like that. And now I need to project this endpoint back to a VP along with this endpoint back to a VP. Which creates a known intersection. That known intersection is here. Darken that in. I've got a few more points that are now known. This is an intersection I have to come straight down vertically. And that will give me surface 3. Same thing here. So that's surface 2. This is surface 3. This known point has to be projected back to a VP. This known point has to be projected back to a VP. Which gives me an intersection here. And coincidentally, it should line up fairly well with this intersection. Which it does. I'm a little bit off due to some slight inaccuracies projecting back to a VP, but I think you get the point. So once again, this is a 2-point perspective. This needs to be drawn, and once again, isometric sketch to perspective. Good luck.